all know that Capcut has made some of its essential features through, like Relight, remove background, enhance voice, audio, and many more. And we all need this to create a classic and aesthetically pleasing videos. But guess what? I use those pro features and I downloaded my video for free without spending a dime. And also, I'm going to show you how I edited this video step by step. So keep watching and subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share my videos. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. Now let's head over to Capcut. So once you open your Capcut, the first thing you're going to do is to click on new project and import the image or photo of the background you want to change your video to. Right here, my background is already in 16.9, which is YouTube standard size. That's because I edited it on Canva before importing it into Capcut. That's why the picture fits in perfectly. But if your background is in portrait, what you do is to click on aspect ratio down below, then click on 16.9 and then drag it to fit the entire space. The next thing you're going to do now is to expand this to get to the exact length of your video. Now delete the Capcut watermark. After that, the next thing we have to do now is to blur the background. Then click on effect, then video effect. Now we are going to search for blur, blur. Click on it. Now we are going to adjust the blur, reduce it to be a little bit clear. Now drag it to the end or you can delete it. It will still show on the background picture. Now click on overlay, add overlay to bring in the video that you want to change the background or the video you want to edit. And also make sure that the background picture and the video are at the same length. After that, the next thing is to apply image quality. Scroll and find video quality. Click on it. Click on image quality. Now allow the feature to apply on the image. Now can you see this? This is the pro feature that we are talking about. So once you use any pro feature, you are going to see it here at the top to show that you are using pro feature. So now the next thing we are going to do now is to remove the background of the valid video. Tap on the valid video box. Scroll down below and find remove BG. Click on it. Click on auto removal and their background will automatically remove by itself by counting to 100. Can you see that my auto removal is still not on pro? That's because I haven't updated my Capcut yet. So after that, we are going to adjust the overlaid video to the place I want it to be. Now the next step is to reduce the background noise and as well enhance our voice audio. Now tap on the overlay video box. Scroll and find reduce noise. Click on it to turn it on. After that, scroll again to find enhance voice. Click on it as well to turn it on. You can leave it at 100 or reduce it. For me, I like it at this place. That's why I'm going to leave it like that. Now allow it to count to 100. After that, I'm going to look for isolate voice. Tap on it, tap on keep vocal and allow it to count to 100 also. After using all the pro features, what we are going to do now is to screen record the video. But note, you have to make sure that you increase your phone volume and the brightness. Now tap on your phone screen record and start recording the edited video from the start to the end of the edited video. So now after recording all that, what you are going to do next is to go back to Capcut interface and click on new project to bring in the recorded video. Tap on the recorded video box. I mean this place right now, this white place, this white line. Now scroll down here and find transform. Click on it. Click on resize. Now click on 16.9 and then shrink the image to fit in proper just like this I'm doing right now. Then click on check mark. Click on the empty space to go back. Now on the toolbar, scroll and find aspect ratio. Click on it and select 16:9, which is YouTube standard size. Click on check mark as well. You can see that our video is looking so fabulous. Now the next thing we are going to do now is to trim out unwanted part and as well sharpen our video. Click on the recorded video box, scroll on the toolbar and look for extract audio. Click on it to extract the audio. I like using this feature whenever I want to make some adjustments on my video or remove the unwanted part so that I won't make mistake when cutting out the unwanted part on my video. So now we are going to move it a little bit nearer to where I started talking. Now click on split to split the audio and also click on the recorded video box as well to split it too, just like this I'm doing right now, and then delete them. After that, drag the remaining part till the start of the video. Another way to do this apart from dragging the audio to the start of the video is by scrolling on the toolbar and look for recover audio. Then click on it to recover the audio just like this. Then after that, click on volume to reduce the audio to 0 or click on mute clip audio. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is to extract audio from the recorded video we made previously. Click on audio, click on extract to extract the audio. Now cut out the unwanted part of the extracted video by clicking on split to cut out the silent part and then drag it to the beginning. But note, make sure that it matches with the mouth. After all that, the next step is to sharpen our video. Tap on filter on the toolbar. Once it loads up, click on adjust and look for sharpen. Click on it, then adjust it to your preference. Now our video is ready to be downloaded. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that?